Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the rinside dosage in Dishwasher Miele. So, in the first step we have to turn off the appliance, then hold the express button, then turn on your appliance. Now hold the express button for 4 seconds. Okay, once again. And now we are in the settings mode. Then you have to click on the V button 3 times. As you can see, in the default state we have the level 3, you can manage it by the express button. Set the value that you want to set. The rinside dosage, the minimum is a 0, so it's turned off, the maximum is a 7. And that's it. Then turn off the appliance to save your settings. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.